my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. So welcome back to another class. Today let me start GK Unit 2 Sports, Chapter number 10, Upcoming Sports Stars. Given below are some new faces of Bharat making a mark in the world of sports. Identify them and write their names in their sports. So who is he? ये है रोहन बोपन्ना, टेनिस. रोहन, इनका सरनेम हम शॉर्ट में लिखेंगे बोपन्ना, टेनिस. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर 2, दीपा कारमकर. सरनेम हम शॉर्ट में लिखेंगे जिम्नास्टिक. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर 3, पीवी सिंधु, बैडमिंटन. Number 4, Devendra Singh, boxing. Singh, boxing. Number 5, Yuki. भामरी, सरनेम हम शॉर्ट में लिख देंगे यूकी भामरी, टेनिस. नंबर 6 है दीपिका पालिकर, स्क्वैश. नंबर 7 है रानी रामपाल, हॉकी. नंबर 8, अनिबॉन, लहरी, गोल्फ. दीपिका कुमारी, आर्चरी. नंबर 10, नीरज चोपड़ा, जेवलिन. नंबर 11, निखत जरीन, बॉक्सर. निखत जरीन, boxer. Now last one, number 12, Abdullah, triple jump. Abdullah, triple jump. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 11. Sports terms. Certain terms used in different sports add vigor to the spirit of the game. Match the terms with the game's sports they are related to. Sports terms and sports. Drafting, car racing. Winning hazard, billiards. Hosel, golf. Number 4, setter, volleyball. Half pipe, skateboarding. Ball pen, baseball. Flights, darts. Double dribble, basketball. Touchdown, football. Nutmeg, American football, option D. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 12. Chapter number 12, Indian champions. Given below are some Indians who won a medal each at the Summer Olympics and the Paralympics held in 2016 at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Read the clues and write the names of these sports person. Number 1, he won the bronze medal in high jump T42 event with a personal best jump of 1.86 meter. Mariyappan Thangavelu. ये सरनेम हम शॉर्ट में लिख देंगे. Thangavelu. Number 2, this 20-year-old won the gold medal in high jump T42 event with a jump of 1.89 meter. ये हैं वरुण सिंह भाटी. Number 3, participating in her first Olympics, she won the bronze medal in the 58 kg freestyle wrestling event. Sakshi Malik.
Where is it? Where happy tonight?
Number 4, she won the silver medal in badminton singles, losing in the finals to Carolina Marin, Spain. So she is PV Sindhu. Number 5, she won the silver medal in shot put F53 event. She is the first Indian woman to win a medal at the Paralympics. Deepa Malik. Deepa Malik. Number 6, he won the gold medal in javelin throw F46 event with a new world record. He had earlier won the event in the 2004 games at Athens. Devendra Jhajaria. He is the first Indian to win gold on Diamond League. Neeraj Chopra. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 30. Sports recall. Answer the following questions. What term is used for the player in Kabaddi who goes in opponent's half chanting Kabaddi to win a point? Kabaddi. 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 Number 2, with which sport is the term regatta associated? ये है rowing. Answer is rowing. What term is used in cricket for loudly abusing the opponent players continuously to make them lose their concentration? Slagging. Name the 5 colors on an archery target. 1, 2, 3, 4. White, black, white, black, blue, red, and gold. What does PHL in Indian hockey stand for? PHL, Premier Hockey League. Number 6. How many holes are there? A standard golf course which is usually 5.5 kilometers in length. 18. If you are holding an opponent in a half Nelson, what kind of combat are you in? Wrestling. Which sporting event is the long distance Tour de France? Cycling. What are three color control cards used in field hockey? Red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 40. World Cup football. Given below are the years and the venues of the World Cup football. Write the names of the winning teams. Okay. Year, venue और winning team कौन सी है? So let we start. 1930 Uruguay, Argentina. 1934 Italy, Rome, Czechoslovakia. 1938 Paris, France, Hungary. 1950 Brazil, Brazil. 1954 Switzerland, Hungary. 1958 Sweden, Sweden. 1962 Chile, Czechoslovakia. 1966 England, West Germany.
Naja, baby, you said
1970 Mexico, Italy. 1974 West Germany, Netherlands. 1978 Argentina, Netherlands. 1982 Spain, West Germany. 1986 Mexico, West Germany. 1990 Italy, Argentina. 1994 America. 1998 France. Brazil. 2002 South Korea and Japan, Germany. 2006 Germany, France. 2010 Spain, Netherlands. 2014 Brazil, Argentina. 2018 Russia, Croatia. So these are the winning team. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 15. Given below is a quiz about some world famous cricket stadiums that have hosted some of the most historic matches. Write the names of the stadium using the help box. Which cricket ground was completely destroyed by a tsunami that hit the Indian Ocean in 2004? Gala International Stadium. Sri Lanka. At which famous stadium would you find the statue of Yaba, the famous spectator? ये है सिडनी क्रिकेट स्टेडियम. ये है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. ये था. It is Australia. Name the cricket ground which has not only hosted a World Cup cricket final but also the final of World Cup hockey in 1919. ये है गद्दाफी स्टेडियम लाहौर. Which famous cricket ground hosted the very first international test match? Lord's Cricket Ground. Lord's Cricket Ground, where? London. Which cricket ground in England is the home of the Yorkshire Country Cricket Club? Number 5. Headingley Stadium. Headingley Stadium, Leeds. A batsman batting at the stadium can see the Devil's Peak. Name the stadium. Number 6. Newlands, Cape Town. Cape Town. At which famous cricket ground will you find the tavern stand, the mount stand and the nursery end? ये है मेलबोर्न क्रिकेट ग्राउंड. Okay, so my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 16. Chapter number 16, extreme sports. Given below are short descriptions about some extreme sports. Read the descriptions and write their names. Number 1. In this sport, the participant moves through his environment by vaulting, climbing, jumping, running, rolling. A surface water sport in which the participant uses a board and a large controllable kite to ride across the water. Kite surfing. A mountaineering sport in which mountaineers slide down from a cliff with the help of a rope. Abseiling. In this sport, the participant uses a special bike to move over rough terrain. This sport involves downhill hill rides, free ride, trial riding dirt, jumping, etc. Mountain biking. A recreational pastime of exploring caves which involves climbing, crawling, and negotiation of pitches, squeezes, and water. Caving. A water sport in which the participant goes into the sea and dives without an oxygen tank. He then proceeds to go as far down as he can. Free diving. Number 7. It is a flying sport in which the participant uses special costume called jumpsuit. Wearing it, the participants jumps out of flying objects like helicopters, high cliff, etc. and glides. ये है wingsuit flying. A recreational sport in which the participant gets inside a transparent ball of PVC, then the ball is closed and rolled down a hill. It is zorbing. Motorcycle racing sport which is held on track that are usually made up of hills, dirt, roads and muddy tracks and turns. Motorbike race. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 17. Different sporting terms are used in different sports. Such terms are part of the vocabulary of that sport. Read the clues and guess the terms. Number 1. In football, a kick awarded to team when a player from the opposite team commits a foul. Free kick. Number 2, in badminton, a shot that barely clears the net. Drop shot. Number 3, in swimming, a stroke named after a beautiful insect, butterfly. Number 4, in gymnastics, getting off an apparatus after performing a routine. It is dismount. Number 5, in table tennis, a type of spin imparted to the ball. Top spin. In tennis, the score of 40 all. DUC. In chess, the last move in which the capture of the opponent's king is inevitable. Number 7, checkmate. Number 8, in field hockey, the act of the ball hitting the foot while the player is in possession of the ball. Carry. Number 9, in cricket, a ball that pitches near the batsman's or batswoman's feet. Yorker. So my dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.